hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. The 100 of reviews of this hotel on Agoda.com. Its review rating is 3.5, which is the poor. Room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and reviews, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this property, 3 type of room is available on Agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy. The location of the hotel is first class and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 12 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 11 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. Other more details about this resort, please check in the description. If you have visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.